Good evening, everybody. I hope all is well. It's about 3 something in the morning. We worked late this evening, so hey, once again, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm cooking. As usual, I've got some onions simmering in the pan. This time I added a little bit of minced garlic to them along with the butter. I think it'll add to it really nicely. But next is, oh yeah, and alongside of that, I'll have some eggs. And in the eggs, I'm going to use this pepper jack cheese, which is a shredded Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. Really good stuff. I get it at a store called Aldi's. No, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just really like the food or their products. And this goes in the eggs. This goes in everything. But anyway, I don't make eggs without that. But right now, I got the onions simmering, and here in just a couple minutes, I'm gonna throw the steaks in the pan, and we'll just go from there. Anyway, quick little short about just what can I cook in a van. I'll be back shortly with results.